550 Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
Right, 92 Tango X-ray, wind 2307, runway 24, cleared for takeoff.
2307, wind 24, cleared for takeoff, 892 Tango X-ray. Alright, Overweight 92 Tango X-ray, we have smoke in the cockpit here, we're gonna have to climb. So come back around and land 2 Tango X-ray.
Number 2 Tango X-ray, roger, and then runway 24, clear to land. Winds are 230 at 6, or whatever runway you need, you're clear to land.
Sorry, repeat that for 2 Tango X-ray. Climb, Ted, climb!
Number 2 Tango X-ray, whatever runway you need, you're clear to land. Wind 240 at 5.
40 at 5, 2 Tango X-ray.
Whatever runway you need, runway 1, runway 24619, whatever runway you need.
How are we on terrain around here? We're coming around to 24.
Roger, runway 24, clear to land.
24, clear to land. Can we get vectors 2 Tango X-ray? Powered.
Number 2 Tango X-ray, climb maintain 2000, please. Climb maintain 2000, fly heading 060.
Number 2 Tango X-ray, if you can climb up to 2000. If not, runway 24 just off your left side.
Looking for the runway, 2 Tango X-ray.
Number 2 Tango X-ray, runway is half a mile off your left.
We're coming around to the runway, 2 Tango X-ray.
Ground, just in case from Swallow 247, we are taxiing a little bit away from the runway, just in case.
Roger, thank you.
Alright, tower, I need vectors for the final for 24, please.
Number 2 Tango X-ray, you overshot it. You're just passing runway 19 at this point. Can you climb at all?
Ma'am, I can climb. We're stable at the moment here. I just need vectors to 19 or 24 or anything, please.
Number 2 Tango X-ray, climb maintain 2000.
Can I give you 1500 for now?
Okay, 1500 for now. And number 2 Tango X-ray, maintain 1500.
1500, present heading, 2 Tango X-ray.
Number 2 Tango X-ray, contact New York approach 120.15. They will set you back around, maintain 1500.
2015, Tango X-ray. New York approach number 892 Tango X-ray, 1500.
892 Tango X-ray, New York approach, roger. Turn west heading 280, maintain 2000.
Alright, 280, we can't do 2000, it's gotta be 1500, 2 Tango X-ray.
Okay, 2 Tango X-ray, 1500 is fine. Rate 92 Tango X-ray, turn right heading 360.
360 heading, what approach you gonna vector for? Okay, just give us ILS 19, correct?
892 Tango X-ray, it's gonna be ILS 19, turn right heading 360.
360 heading, 19, 2 Tango X-ray.
And for the emergency vehicles, the aircraft is coming back around. They're about 2 minutes out. The last report was smoke in the cockpit. They're being vectored in.
Tower 99, which runway are they landing?
We don't know yet.
Tower, you calling us 1?
Rate 92 Tango X-ray, turn right heading 060.
060, 2 Tango X-ray.
Come on, tower, second.
Teterboro Tower, Rescue 1.
Rescue 1, Teterboro Tower.
Are you trying to contact us?
Rescue 1 affirmative. Subject aircraft is about 3 minutes out. Last report was smoke in the cockpit. Souls and fuel unknown.
Souls and fuel unknown. Do we have a runway?
Not yet.
On Understood. We're going to be standing by our garage. As soon as you get it, please send it over.
And to Tango X-ray, you're 5 from Teterboro to 1602. Maintain whatever altitude you can until established cleared ILS 19.
Cleared ILS 19, we're turning right at 2 Tango X-ray.
Great, 92 Tango X-ray.
Rescue vehicles, subject aircraft is on a 5-mile final for runway 19er.
Roger, 19 copy. Position on Alpha first sweep.
2 Tango X-ray, runway 19, clear land.
Cleared land 1989, 2 Tango X-ray.
Teterboro 99, just confirm that you're trying to do the sweep after the subject aircraft lands, correct?
Confirm on Alpha in position for a sweep behind the aircraft after they land.
Roger, thank you.
Number 2 Tango X-ray, if you're able to switch to tower 119.5.
Big tower 1912. Tower 92 Tango X-ray.
2 Tango X-ray, runway 19er, clear to land.
9 cleared land, 2 Tango X-ray.
And winds are 240 at 6.
Advise we're going to be an overweight landing, 2 Tango X-ray.
Roger.
All rescue vehicles, their subject aircraft is going to be an overweight landing, Wind check 230 at 5. Traffic in sight. Aircraft in sight.
099, request sweep.
099, proceed on to runway 19er and cross runway 24.
19 cross 2499.
Number 2 Tango X-ray, do you need the rescue vehicles out there?
Negative rescue vehicles at this time, 2 Tango X-ray. We're going to clear here at Juliet. Copies. We're going to follow the aircraft. Severely smoke in the cockpit. What it is or what it was.
Number 2 Tango X-ray, roger, turn right at Juliet, and you don't want any rescue vehicles to check you out?
Yeah, if you can check us out, that would be great. If you see anything externally, please.
Number 2 Tango X-ray, just turn right at Juliet, then you can hold your position there, and I will send them down to you.
Thank you.
And rescue 1 and 2, subject aircraft is requiring assistance. If you can please do outlook on the outside. And number 2 Tango X-ray, do you still currently have smoke in the cockpit?
$1999.
099, roger, thank you. And believe the aircraft might have shut down there. If you can confirm whether or not he still has smoke in the cockpit.
Don't have smoke in the cockpit at the moment. We're just getting situated here.
Roger, no problem, thank you.